son! Somebody, please! No, no, no!
When this mom was driving home from work, she got trapped in the car with her only child. And at first, she told her kid that everything would be okay, but things quickly went wrong. The water was rising fast, and her son was crying in the back. She screamed for help, pushed the door, banged the windows, but no one came to help. The water was now about to drown her completely. But just when she thought everything was over, something happened that no one expected. I'll show you. But before that, if you love pizza more than your mom, then ignore this video. But if you love your mom more than pizza, like, subscribe, share this video, and comment a heart emoji if you truly love your mom. Then she fell into the water and was never